Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your listening activity on Spotify. So to be able to do that, you need to activate the feature first. So here I've already on the Spotify, and you can just go to click on your name on Spotify and go to the settings. Then after that, scroll down until you find the social options. Okay, so in here you'll find there is an option to share your listening activity on Spotify. So you need to activate these features right here. Just click on that until it turns to gray. Then after that, you can just go back to your profile, to your home page on Spotify, so that when you're listening to a song, your friends on Spotify will be notice or will be notified of what you are currently listening on the Spotify apps. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thank you.